You want to find another sheep? Do we have more sheep?
No.
No, we don't. Uh-oh, we only have
A one sheep.
one sheep. That's right.
One.
One. We have one, and we're going to go to groups and farm animals. Sheep.
Sheep.
Is it the daddy sheep or the mommy sheep?
Daddy.
It's the daddy sheep. Okay, let's put
Put.
the sheep in its pen.
Where?
Where's the sheep's pen? There. Okay, sheep. Time to go in your pen.
What?
Good job.
Right here.
Yes, you did. He got in his pen, didn't he? Good job. He's in his pen.
And the cows.
That's who is next? Our cows? Okay. Where should our cows go?
They go right there.
Mm-hmm. Here you go, cows. You're in your pen. Moo. I think they like their pen in the barn.
And that's still there.
Come.
Who needs to come over? The scarecrow?
Eat.
The crows like to eat the scarecrow, don't they? If we go to our groups and our birds, crows. Whoops. What do you want to tell me about the horse?
Raccoon.
A raccoon's gonna come get our scarecrow? Oh no.
Panda bear.
A panda bear? I don't think so. Pandas don't live on a farm.
Eat.
But the crows like to eat the scarecrow or the corn, and the scarecrow scares them away. That's his job. He's supposed to scare those crows.
Dirty.
He does kind of look dirty with his patch and everything, doesn't he? All right, should we put our scarecrow in the garden?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that he can protect the vegetables. He can tell those crows to go away.
Oh.
Like.
You like it? Yeah. And he'll tell them, he'll say, go away, crows.
And
Play.
You want to play with the farm some more? Okay, let's play with the farm some more.
how about the guys?
The farmers?
Guys.
Yeah, the guys. They're a type of people. We're going to go to job.
They're gonna go to bed.
Is not a cowboy. We should have farmer. There we go.
Farmer.
Farmer. Oh, did the farmer?
Farmer.
Farmer. Did the farmer go to bed?
Yeah.
And I know what you like to do. Are we going to wake him up?
Up.
We're going to wake him up? The rooster crows. Cock-a-doodle-doo. And what happens
What?
when the rooster crows? Cock-a-doodle-doo. The farmer has to get up and out of bed, doesn't he? Say, get out of bed, farmer. Did you put him back in bed? All right. Oh, cock-a-doodle-doo. He got right out of bed and he landed on
On.
his feet. Cock-a-doodle-doo. He got up and out of bed too. Do more farmers need to get up?
No.
No. He did. He got up and out of bed too. There's more?
More.
Do more?
No.
Oops.
One.
My.
Oh, that looked like a 1, didn't it? Let's go to our ABCs. Do you see the ABCs and 1, 2, 3 up there? Now, can you find 1? 1, 2, 4. And look, 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 4. Go to people, jobs.
12:34.
Hold on. Hold on. We had 4 farmers. Didn't we? We had 4 farmers get up out of bed. Cock-a-doodle-doo. That's his wake-up call, isn't it?
That.
That tells him to,
Put.
oops, not put, to get
Get.
up.
Ow.
Oh, and she fell out of bed, didn't she?
Watch.
They want to go watch something? Are they going to go watch the animals?
Sesame Street.
They're not going to watch Sesame Street right now. We're playing on the farm.
Good.
You like playing on the farm? You think it's good?
Oh. That.
Yeah, let's go back to our farm animals.
Oh, some dino.
I know. Do you want to go get your dinosaurs to play on the farm too?
The dinosaur.
I know you love dinosaurs. We're obsessed, aren't we? Should we go get
Dinosaur.
dinosaurs to play on the farm too?
No.
No?
Oh, the raptor.
A velociraptor. I heard you
Velociraptor.
say that. Yeah.
And that is the green.
A green T-Rex.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
We do not want
No.
them on our farm though, because these guys are carnivores. They like to feed on other animals' meat, and they would eat
Dinosaur.
our cows and horses and chickens.
And another dino.
You did? All right, let's go back to our farm. What animal should we play? Oops, mommy hit the wrong button. What animal should we play with now?
Let's
see.
Dinosaur.
All right, how about you go get your dinosaurs and we'll play with the dinosaurs real quick. We'll add them to our farm. Hopefully they do not eat our animals though.
How about the other dinosaur?
You want to go get all of them?
Oh.
All right. Okay, guys, that was a kind of a longer video, but a little bit short one. You just saw us doing natural play, following his lead. We're playing just with a little farm animal set. And the vocabulary that I have up is the Word Power 60 Basic, and it's on an iPad. And I was just providing aided language input as we played with the animals, following his lead, labeling what we saw, commenting on it, posing questions for him, and everything. And so those were just a little bit of the communication functions that we did during this natural play. And that's an example of how you could do this while your child is playing at home. And it's still daytime, isn't it, here? But can you tell everybody? Let's go to our social. And can we tell them bye?
Bye.
Yeah, okay, good job. We're going to say goodbye. Oh, where did my goodbye go there? I hit the wrong one. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe,
No,
and
all
like
goodbye.
below.
See you later, alligator.
Yeah.